Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are actually doing drywall because last video I didn't know we were going to run into cement backing boards. I'm not doing any research for this video because we already did it for the last video. The two methods that I've seen is they break and tear it out or use a drywall saw to cut and try to remove them in panels. Since I already bought this, we're gonna try using it first. So I was able to get the knife through and cut the drywall, but couldn't remove it in one piece. So I had to resort to the smash and tear out method. The bottom is looking pretty good. Going to take a break, take that to the dump, and when we come back, work on the top. I've been enjoying the physically grabbing drywall and tearing pieces out method because it's been pretty easy so far. Definitely easier than the cement backing boards we had to deal with in the last video behind the shower. I'm really curious what we're gonna find behind that wall. So I'm assuming since these are interior walls, there's no insulation, that is an exterior wall. Let's find out what kind of insulation we got. Well, the wall is not insulated. I'm kind of sad our house is not insulated, but there is a weed growing out from the ground into the wall. That's kind of cool. There's not much else to show for how to remove drywall. I've been liking the sledgehammer smash and tear out method. Going to throw all of these buckets away. Video number 154 done.